In this video, I will show you how to share location on Apple Maps. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is go onto your phone and open the Maps app and the messaging or email app where you want to send the location to the person to. Now, you're going to go to the map. If you have the address of the location that you want to send, you can click on the search map here and you're going to type in the address and it's going to search for it. And you can also go through the map and pinpoint. So once you let this go down and you open the map, you keep opening, you keep opening. Let's say we want to send an address in Woodland. We're going to open, 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 open. Now, as it's going, you can see the structures of the road and of the buildings that are around. So let's choose this building right here. Say we want to send the address of this building. You're going to put your finger on the part for a few seconds and it's going to pin. Now, once it pins up, it's going to open a dialog box at the bottom and it's going to show you the exact address of the place. Now, what you want to do is you want to click on this arrow here and you're going to share and you're going to come to the bottom here. You're going to copy. Now, once you copy the address, you're going to go to the messaging app or the email app where you want to send the address to the person. You're going to pick the person that you want to send the address to. And in the message, you're going to click on it for a few seconds or just tap on it. You're going to tap on it and you see paste and you click on paste. Now, once you paste, you can see the address has been attached to the message. And from here, you can click on send. Now, that's how to share location on Apple Maps. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.